In today's fast-paced global market, artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming how businesses manage sourcing and procurement. The integration of AI, machine learning, and data analytics into sourcing workflows has become one of the most significant trends in modern supply chain management. From identifying risks early to selecting the most reliable suppliers, AI is empowering sourcing services to operate with greater accuracy, speed, and transparency than ever before. The digital transformation of sourcing. Digital transformation has shifted sourcing from manual processes to intelligent, data-driven systems. Traditionally, sourcing teams relied on human judgment and experience to evaluate suppliers, forecast demand, and manage risks. But as global supply chains grow more complex, AI now plays a vital role in simplifying these challenges. By analyzing massive amounts of data in real time, AI systems can detect patterns, predict market changes, and provide actionable insights that help businesses make smarter, faster decisions. AI in risk identification. One of the most valuable benefits of AI in sourcing is its ability to identify and mitigate risks before they escalate. AI-driven algorithms continuously monitor factors such as supplier performance, political instability, economic conditions, and logistics disruptions. If a supplier shows signs of delay or quality issues, AI can flag it instantly, allowing companies to take preventive action. This level of predictive insight helps businesses avoid costly interruptions and maintain a stable, reliable supply chain. AI in supplier selection. Selecting the right supplier has always been one of the most critical and time-consuming parts of the sourcing process. AI simplifies this by automating supplier assessment and selection. Machine learning models evaluate potential suppliers based on historical data, performance records, pricing trends, sustainability ratings, and compliance metrics. Instead of relying solely on manual reviews, AI creates a data-backed, objective scoring system that identifies the best-fit suppliers for a company's needs. This ensures higher efficiency, lower risk, and improved collaboration throughout the supply chain. Enhancing procurement efficiency and transparency. AI is not just a tool for automation. It's a system that enhances overall procurement efficiency and transparency. Intelligent sourcing platforms powered by AI can handle automated negotiations, demand forecasting, and real-time supplier communication. This reduces human error, accelerates procurement cycles, and improves cost savings. Moreover, AI brings visibility to every stage of the process, helping organizations make informed decisions based on clear, accurate data. The future of smart sourcing. The future of sourcing lies in AI-powered intelligence and automation. Companies that embrace AI-driven sourcing will not only reduce risks but also build stronger, more transparent relationships with their suppliers. By combining human expertise with AI innovation, businesses can transform their sourcing operations into strategic engines of growth, resilience, and efficiency. If you are interested in watching videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and give your opinion in the comment section. We'll see you in the next video.